Hey guys, this is Bill from My Better Half, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky faucet inside your house. Now most of us have had this issue in our house at one time or another, and if you have, then you'll understand that if you don't do something about it, if you ignore it and don't fix it, it can actually cause your water bill to skyrocket, sometimes over $100 in some cases. So it's imperative that we get this fixed as soon as possible. So today, you and I are going to do it together. Let's do this. Here is the culprit right here. This guy's been leaking for about 3 days. So it's time to get this fixed. I'm not sure if you can tell on the camera or not, but you can kind of see right there. Look at that. That is leaking like crazy. Alright, so the first thing you want to do before you start this project is, of course, turn the water off at the main line. Once you do that, then we have to get these off. That one and that one. And I'll show you how to do that. Alright, to get these knobs off, all you do is you grab a screwdriver. I'm going to take this screw off and this screw off. So let's just start here. Get that one off. Take your screw and set it aside. Alright, now in theory, when you get those screws out, these knobs should just come right off. But as you can see, they're stuck on there. These knobs have been on here for a long time. So we're going to have to use a tool called a knob extractor. So I'll show you how that works. Alright guys, the way this tool works is this end piece right here fits right into where the screw came out, just like that. And then these two side pieces go in behind the knob, like that. When you screw this in, the knob will come right off. There you go. There it is. So let me get the other knob off and then we will continue with our project. So we got both knobs off. However, we've hit a bit of a problem. Here's what happened when I took the other knob off. Look at that. The center of the knob broke right off. There's the centerpiece right there. So guess what? We get to go to Lowe's and buy some new knobs. I'm not going alone though. You're going to come with me. So let's do this. What we got to do now is to unscrew these, and you can just unscrew those with your hands. Just like that. Same with this one. Alright, now the next thing we have to do is we have to get these off. The way we do that is you can fit a socket back in there. You can see that right back in here. Fit a socket on that. We should be able to get it unscrewed. So let's do that next. Okay, the way that you use these plumber's ratchets, or sockets I mean, is you just simply take it and you place it over the stem like that. Then it comes with this piece that fits through the holes here, and this gives you the leverage you need to turn it and get it unscrewed. So let's do this. There it is. Now hopefully this will unscrew by hand. There it is. Alright guys, here's a close-up of the stem. As you can see here, the rubber gasket is really worn out. In fact, there's barely anything there. So what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew this. Okay. Get the old one off. We're going to replace it with a new gasket. It fits right in there. And then we'll just put the screw back in. Get that screwed back in there. And there it is. So we'll get these stems screwed back into the wall, and then we will replace the knobs and see if we fix the leak. Alright, let's get these knobs screwed in, or these stems I mean. Well, go on, get in there. There we go. And we'll do the other one here. Then of course we'll use our plumber socket to get them nice and snug. You don't want to get them too tight, but you do want them to be good and snug. Okay. Alright, there we go. That's probably good enough right there. Okay, go ahead and get these screwed on next. Get these put back on. Now replace the knobs. Get those put back on. Okay guys, I think we're ready. So let me go and turn the water back on, and then we'll see if our leak has been fixed. Alright, as you can see folks, there is no leaking. Check it out. Leak free, buddy. So once again we have success. And that is how you fix a leaky faucet. Now if you found this video educational, informative, and maybe even somewhat entertaining, maybe you did, then I would urge you to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon so you get notified of new videos as they are uploaded. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So with that being said, this is Bill signing off from my better half. Have a great day.